I don't normally do an unboxing, but I've been asked to do one, so this is what I'm going to do. I don't know what's in it, so it's going to be, well, I know what's in it, but you lot don't. So it's going to be a surprise. Can you guess what it is yet? Nothing yet. They weren't cheap. Can you guess what it is yet? I'll take one out. I'll take both out actually. Bolts. That's your fitting instructions. So I will be fitting these and I'll be doing a full instruction myself. There we go. So we've got two of these. These are very nice. Auto retractable dinghy wheels. Can you see that? Alright, let's have a look, see if I got you in focus. Alright, let's come down a bit. Okay, so at the moment that's in the upward locked position. Alright. And what it is, when we go and take the dinghy out, I've got an inflatable dinghy, small engine on the back. When you go to transport anywhere, I've tried those little plastic ones you can buy. People have probably seen them. They didn't last very long, especially on a road. Especially you're using it. It's just so. Oh, that's the way around. Sorry, is it? Or is it upside down? I haven't looked at it myself, so you can see it. There we go. Okay, let's have a play. So it must that way round when they're in the upward position or locked position. All right. And what happens is I have to go and borrow a trolley from the boat club, which we're a member of, and it's just hard plastic wheels, which are fine. But when you put it underneath your dinghy, where the two bellows are, your two side bellows, you know, the pontoon things we want to call them, it seems to stick in it, and I'm always dreading it's going to puncture it. So hence I bought these. So these you push down like so. Mind your fingers. Look at that. And they lock into position, and they're easy retractable. So what you do, you see that, and as it comes up, it goes back on itself. This bar bends back on itself and locks them into position. There you go. There you go. It's my first unboxing, I think, anyway. They come with, hopefully, I put them down somewhere. Here we go. So you've got your washers and your bolts, stainless steel, but I don't think they're good enough. I mean, they're rubber and they'll go on to your transom, so you need to put some sealant on your transom so you don't damage it. But I need bigger washers on the inside, because I don't think they're big enough. That's my opinion, but that's it, that's fine. And hopefully they go through the transom. They should do. I think it's a standard fitting. So there'll be another video on me setting all these up and giving them a go. And I'll do a full video and I'll put that on YouTube, because it's not, I think there's only one on there, but it doesn't explain it really well. No disrespect to that person. And there we go. There we go, just a quick one, an unboxing on my latest purchase for the dinghy. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. Thanks very much for watching if you did. All the best, take care, and see you in the next one.